Hello, Jane Cleland here. The question is, how do I keep track of details within my story and then within a series? I have a couple of suggestions. If what you're really asking is about plot elements, I like to keep something I call plot threads at the end of my working copy of my manuscript, and it's just a numbered list. In my Josie Prescott Antiques Mysteries, if I have Josie ask Wes, her reporter helper person, uh, to check someone's finances, because Wes knows everybody and can access any information, then I will put down in my plot thread list, Josie asked Wes, chapter 4, so-and-so's finances. Because I can't just address it right then and there. He has to have some time. He has to have had trouble maybe getting the information, or he gets part of the information. So it has to be at least a few chapters later that he's going to come back. Well, periodically I go through my plot threads and I say, oh yeah, I got to have Wes come back. He does that. That scene is now written and I can go ahead and delete that plot thread. If, on the other hand, what you're talking about is that someone's eyes are hazel or green or blue, and you want to keep track of that kind of minutia, I would probably use a spreadsheet. Although I actually, when I'm tracking things, and I do it for ages and what year they graduated college, I just use a Word document. I create a table, and I'll have Josie, and then the next column is year born, next column, year graduated college, and then year or month, depending on the level of detail I need to track, when she had a major event. She started at her Frisco's job in New York City. She moved to New Hampshire and so on. And I'll do that for certainly all the major characters. And that's just there. And if I need a physical description, I'd add columns for that as well. A little old school works for me. I bet it will work for you too. I know you can do it. If this tip had value for you, would you do something for me? Would you like it? Would you share it? Would you subscribe to the channel? That opens up features for us that lets us make these videos even more valuable for you. Thanks so much.